nothing in there. It's just trash. Yay. Hey guys, it's Jen and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing video because I went ahead and purchased some things from the Ulta website and my challenge to myself was to keep it under $50. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys what I bought under $50 from Ulta. I realize that makeup is not a necessity right now with everything that's going on in the world, so I really want to start this video by saying, how are you guys doing? I hope that you all are okay. I hope that you're all safe, and my thoughts and my prayers go out to you. Just hanging in there, practicing social distancing, and I realize that it's a very stressful time and that makeup is pretty trivial, but I have a desire to keep my channel focused on positive things in hopes that it would be a positive place for you guys to swing by and say hello, maybe have a laugh. I know that there are a lot of my friends here on YouTube that are doing the same thing, so even though makeup isn't an essential, I think that having that moment of escape is an absolute necessity. So I want to be a part of that here on this channel and just hopefully bring a laugh, bring some joy, a little bit of entertainment. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. I've been feeling it too. It's been a really rough time. It's been a really rough year. I had a whole different perspective of what 2020 was going to be about, and boy, was I surprised, as all of us are, that so far it has been a kick in the ass. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing, which is something that I don't normally do on my channel, but I bought some stuff. It came in a box. I'm going to unbox it. It's going to be fun. So I'm going to show you guys what I purchased for under $50 at the Ulta website. And if I look a little haggard, it's because I am. Okay, let's get started. So first, I'm going to be reaching in the box and talking about this. And we're going to start with this cute little e.l.f. sponge. And this retails for $5. Now, I've seen a lot of other people here on YouTube raving about this particular sponge from e.l.f., so I was curious about that, and I went ahead and picked it up. So we're going to try this in a later video. Could be great, could be crap. We're going to find out together. It's going to be wonderful. Can't wait. Okay, so I got this being the first one. Also from e.l.f., I've got their liquid glitter eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Black Magic, and I'm thinking about doing a really pretty smoky eye with this, and hopefully it'll give me that glossy, glittery, smoky eye look that I want to go for. They have several different shades, but I went for this one because, well, I just wanted it. It was either this one or the blue one. It's like a cobalt blue with a lot of really beautiful glitter to it, but this is the one that I decided to go for. So this is the one we'll be playing with in a later video, and just want to go ahead and here it is. Okay, so moving on. So next I've got the lippy stick from ColourPop, and this is in the shade Brink, and this retailed for $7, so I'm excited to try this. So next up I got the Flesh Firm Stick Foundation, and this retailed for $9, and the picture, so, oh, heaven's sake, I didn't realize it was actual size, because this is pretty much the size of the photograph, and this is the size that showed up. But it was $9. Flush has been going on sale for a while now. I don't know if something's going on with the company, but this only has a 28 shade range to it, which is probably why people weren't snapping it up. It's not the most inclusive foundation. I'm just going to say it that way. So that's probably why a lot of their stuff is going on sale, but I decided to pick this up, and it was kind of a struggle. It's weird. So I don't like buying foundation online because, let me just open this sucker up in the shade Custard. Because if you can't see it in person, cameras are funny things. So it looks like it's going to work, but, and you buy it online and you bring it home and here it is. And even then it looks, even here in person, it looks like it's going to be a little light. Yeah, I can already tell it's going to be kind of light. So I don't normally buy, I can make this work, I'm sure, but I don't normally buy foundation online because it's a lot easier to shade match in person. So I went ahead and took a gamble on that one, and we're going to see how it works out in a later video. Okay, moving on, I got this Revolution palette. This is the Forever Flawless Fire eyeshadow palette. I've never tried anything from Makeup Revolution, but I've heard that this is a really good dupe for the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. So let's just have a little look inside, and I think that may be absolutely true. So we're going to go ahead in a later video and do a battle of the eyeshadow palettes because it does look very similar. And last but not least, I have the free gift that came from Ulta for my purchase, and it is Brave Spirit. And I think this is also, yeah, this is another Makeup Revolution palette. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow palette that they sent me for free, which I think is really, really cool. And the challenge for me is that I'm going to be using shades that I don't use very often. These aren't ones that, I mean, there's a couple in here that I would gravitate toward, but there's a couple in here that I don't normally use. So we will be trying this palette in a later video, and I am super excited about that. And I love the fact that they gave a free gift. Let's swatch this one right here. I don't know the name, but ooh, it feels very creamy. Oh boy. And we're just gonna go ahead and put that right there. That's a pretty shade. Okay. Let's swatch this sparkly green one. Let's see what that's all about. Oh no. Oh, that is so pretty. It's like a tealy, kind of leaning more toward the green side, but that's really pretty. So basically it is a lot of spring shades, very pastel-y, and some glitters and some mattes, and I think that this is going to be a fun palette to play with in the very near future. Maybe even today. Who knows? Swatch the lipstick really, and this is supposed to be a matte, this ColourPop lipstick. Now I'm just kind of playing with everything, so it's like, ooh. Let's not kid, I'm gonna get rid of the unicartons anyway. Oh, well hello there. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's swatch that. Oh, it's very creamy, but it says that it's a matte, so I don't know. It's a really nice spice kind of color. It's the kind of color I normally gravitate towards. Need to start stepping out of the box and trying different shades, but not today. I did stick to my under 50 challenge, so I came in at about, I think it was $47.99. So not bad for a little Ulta haul. I feel like I've got some fun stuff that I can play with, and it didn't break the bank. So I'm pretty excited to go ahead and try this stuff out and to share it with you guys. And yeah, just wanted to do a quick little unboxing, hop on here and say hi, and really just hope that you guys are all doing well. And my thoughts again and prayers are with you, and we just got to hang in there together, and we're going to get through this together. So my love goes out to you guys, and I just want to thank you for hanging out with me and seeing the little bit of products that I got from Ulta, and we'll be playing with them in future videos, and I'm pretty excited about that. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for sticking around and watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. I appreciate you, and I hope you all are having a beautiful day. Thanks. Bye. Okay, clumsy, drop this. I don't even know where that went. I don't even know what happened. It's just gone. Okay, it's fine. I'll find it later. It's not going far. Anyway, guys, what is up with my hair? Help! It's like, also from e.l.f., I've got their liquid glitter eyeshadow, and this is in the shade, I have no idea because I'm not reading it. I'm doing such a great